Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the invitation. Check your email and GitHub notifications right away. Sign in to the account you want associated with the repo because accepting ties membership to that username. Once signed in, verify the organization or repository name and the inviter to avoid accepting a mistaken or malicious invite. Click the invite link or open the notification inside GitHub. This moves you into the acceptance flow and reveals the permissions you will be granted, which matters for later access and responsibility. You now inspect the details, role, repository access, and any team assignments. This step matters because permissions control what you can push, merge, or administer. Choosing the least privileged role reduces risk. If the invite includes team membership, note inherited permissions and repository lists. When ready, click Accept Invitation. GitHub will update your account immediately. If the page stalls, use a browser refresh or sign out and back in. Then check your repositories or organization membership to confirm you have the expected access. Once accepted, verify your access by visiting the repository, attempting a clone, or viewing issues and pull requests so you know exactly what you can do. Make sure you meet any organization requirements like enabling two-factor authentication. Enable it now to avoid future blocks. If you don't see access, the invite may have been sent to a different email, declined, or expired. Ask the owner to resend. If errors persist, clear cache, try another browser, or contact the organization admin for a direct re-invite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.